our money, our rights. If you are paid for something, you need to get that exact same thing. So in today's world, we have been gifted with a lot of consumer rights because of the development in commerce and the development in lawmaking process. Today, global citizen of the world have immense rights in Consumer Act. Especially if you talk about country like Australia, we have very strong consumer rights that will protect us from any misleading or false advertisement or false sales. Hello Sandra, I'm Sailesh Supreti. I'm here representing my supervisory partner and I'm here to discuss about your case. I went through your case and I found many things there. I found there were many issues related with consumer rights violation. So I'm today here to discuss the consumer rights violations issues and how can we tackle with those issues. That is all I'm going to explain here. So when I came to your case, I realized that you have been misled. There are few things that you should have taken care before you have purchased the thing. You should have checked the internet speed, or you should have done some reviews, but that's already done. So we can't go back there. So what were the issues? Like the internet speed were never around 100 MB per second. So that was a false statement they made. And another issue was you were promised to be delivered 10 GB per speed, 10 GB data per month. But whenever your data limits exceed 8 GB or something like that, your internet speed goes drastically downwards. So that was also breached. And another was you were given a phone, and that was an old phone. So and didn't meet any of the standard that was promised on the online browsers. So what could you do? You can now take legal action against them. The Australian consumer rights gives you a lot of legal remedies through which you can take legal action against them. Consumers are guaranteed with certain rights, like they can have rights to redress. That means they can take back the compensations, or they can get repaired or something like that if their product doesn't meet the standard that had been promised. So what can you do now? You can simply file a complaint against the ZZNet, the service provider of your phone and the internet. You can write a complaint letter in a formal manner, and you can attach the proof of your purchase of your product. That can be draft, vouchers, bills, statement of your debit card, MasterCard, or even the credit card. So you need to collect those two things, and you need to file a complaint against the company that have breached the contract and breached the consumer rights in the Australian Commission of Consumer Rights. So after that, the Australian Commission will do the rest of their part. You can if you do the tax, or if you file the complaint sooner, you will be getting the results sooner. In Australia, you don't need to worry about your rights being violated. If you are a consumer and if you have all the right thing in your place, like if you have legal purchased documents, and if you are goods or contract paper, something like that, you don't need to worry about it. And by reading your case, I'm certain that you have both the thing that is needed to get compensation. So I suggest you to file the case soon as possible, so that you get your compensation, repair, or exchange of your product as soon as possible. Thank you, Sandra. Have a good day.